At Adventure Cycle, our customers want bikes that are fast, but we offer them so much more than speed. Our bikes are built for those who hunger for adventure, who crave the thrill of uncharted paths, the rush for the open road. All of our bikes feature cutting-edge suspension for a smooth, exhilarating ride and safety that's second to none. Create stories that will last a lifetime with Adventure Cycle. When you choose Adventure Cycle, you're not just buying a bike. You're joining a community of passionate adventurers. Adventure awaits. It's time to redefine your journey. Visit us today and embark on your next great journey.